In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background in GIMP. By the end, you'll be able to remove a background and replace it with a solid color using just two tools. Have your image open in GIMP and keep an eye on the tool options area at the bottom of the toolbox because a couple of small adjustments there can make this process much smoother. First, select the Fuzzy Select tool, also known as the magic wand. You'll find it in the toolbox with an icon that looks like a wand. This tool selects areas based on color similarity, which is perfect for backgrounds that are mostly one shade or a consistent range of tones. Before you click, look at the threshold slider in the tool options. A lower threshold selects only very similar colors, while a higher threshold grabs a wider range. If your background is fairly uniform, start in the middle and adjust as needed. Make sure options like anti-aliasing are on for smoother edges. Now click directly on the background of your image. You should see a dotted selection outline, often called marching ants, wrapping around the area GIMP detected. If the selection misses parts of the background, slightly increase the threshold and click again. If it spills into your subject, lower the threshold and try once more. Take a moment to get a clean selection here. It will make the next steps look much better. Press Delete on your keyboard. This removes the selected background area. You'll know it worked if you see a gray and white checkerboard pattern, which indicates transparency. If something unexpected disappears, simply undo and refine your selection before deleting again. A clean, transparent background is exactly what you want before applying a new color. Next, pick the Bucket Fill tool, the one that looks like a paint bucket tipping over. In the Color area, choose your new background color by clicking the foreground swatch and picking any hue you like. With your color set, click on the transparent background area to fill it. Because your selection is still active, the color will apply neatly inside that outline without spilling onto your subject. If the fill looks patchy, check that the fill option is set to fill the entire selection and not just similar colors. That's it. Select the background with the magic wand, delete it to reveal transparency, then use the bucket to pour in your new color. With a careful selection and the right threshold, you'll get crisp edges and a professional-looking result.